Gold touching that 1685 level. David, it seems like every other day gold rallies here. What's leading the charge today?
Well, for today, Alex, I guess your guess is as good as mine, but we look like we've consolidated at a higher level. We've only seen gold trade under the $1,600 level about 3 times and silver under the $30 level about 3 times. So I think just the general angst in the market with what's going on in the Eurozone, a lot of talk about things are going to work out, maybe they will. But nonetheless, gold and silver are both kind of suspect with these consolidation levels that are occurring right now.
So what does that mean? Does that mean more consolidation before we get some sort of medium-term direction here? Because gold is moving with stocks, which is a very rare kind of circumstance.
I actually hold that we're probably going to see lower consolidations in the precious metals. I know people say, well, you're not bullish anymore. That's not true. But I think that the situation just is going to play that out. If you look at gold from a long term perspective, it's a rising wedge. A rising wedge usually, after it breaks down, which it already has, takes some time and works itself lower over time. So I think right now the market's undecided. There's a lot of people in the market thinking, well, this is a great time to buy relative to what it was a month or two ago. It is, but nonetheless, maybe a month or two out from now, it may be a better buy.
I've heard a similar outlook from another strategist who's looking for a 7 to 8 month consolidation before the fundamentals, say like a currency war, currency instability, kick back into the market. Smaller retail investors get back into the market, say mid 2012, and then we really push higher. Would you agree with that?
It could be that long, you bet. And I do pretty much agree with it. I really think that over time, you're going to see these metals work off, some of this enthusiasm that they're kind of maintaining from the highs that they've seen. So I wouldn't be surprised to see gold trade under the $1,600 level, even though, as I said earlier, we've only been there about 3 times so far. Wouldn't surprise me to see a few weeks, perhaps a few months of trading at the $1,600 level or thereabouts.
Real quick, in terms of the G20 meeting this weekend, if we do see some kind of stability plan for the recapitalization of European banks as well as sovereign states, what happens to gold? Because if the euro pops, gold could also rally, but if there's a big return of risk appetite, gold could fall. What's that short-term prediction?
I actually think you're going to see gold sell off some after this meeting with the G20.
All right, thanks, David. I appreciate it. So, more consolidation for the short and medium term for gold.